Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm down the allotment and it's raining. So I've saved this polytunnel for a rainy day. So I guess I better get into it. It's one of the jobs I've been putting off. Need to get it clear and get away some of these weeds. So better get on, clear some weeds. So we've done this first half and we've got the rear half to do now. So get on and do it. Yeah, move it to the back gate. Yeah. Littles. So pleased I can walk down and out the door. The rain is coming down so hard. Just found this old piece of tarpaulin on the allotment. I'm just going to use this for a window. I'm getting really wet. Oh, much better. I can already feel the cold being kept out. Could be a permanent fixture. Screw it on, roll it up, roll it down. It's a good plan. So I've made it to my desk and I've actually found the other glove that I've been using. So I think I can have matching gloves. And all this plastic, it's been sat in the polytunnel and it's just perished. Where the sunlight's been in, it's just perished. So I need to get rid of all of this and dispose of it in the bin. I found this tray and I couldn't remember what was in it. It's full of nettles, but looking underneath it, I saved some marigold seeds, and these are all the heads for the marigolds. So we've got some seeds in there. I want to protect those. I'm just going to take out the nettles and save the seeds, along with some poppies that we've saved here. We can save the heads, we can scatter the seeds. Still some seeds in there, so I'm just going to save the rest of those for the garden. So I found this tray, it's come quite handy. I'm going to save my poppy seeds and put them in here. Any seeds that spill out can be saved. So I'm going to start a pile for the dustbin. And clean my desk. So I found some envelopes. So envelopes are always handy to keep, just to keep storing seeds. Put them in your envelopes. Worth keeping. Just going through my box, dumping everything we don't want. Nice big clear out. We got some spoons. We could use these for plant markers. We've also got some plant markers so they can go all together. Find a little pot. Markers can sit in the pot. There's that nasty stuff, weed guard, not the greatest stuff. Look at that, we've got a desk. Whoa! So I'm digging this by hand because I want to get out all these roots. And here's a prime example. If you leave the roots in, they just send out shoots. There's another one. Just sending out from a shoot. It's in the ground, sending up these shoots. So as much as this you can get out, the better. So I'm going through, but there's so much of it, just a tiny little bit. Will cause it to regrow. So I'm just going through, pitching out every little root I can. So now I've managed to clear the weeds from the back of my tunnel. You can see my shelf, and this shelf is made of one pallet on its side and then a few planks going across to another pallet on this side. And this could be used for a temporary platform for your seeds. This one was temporary and it's ended up a bit more permanent. So I'm going to sort out all my pots and put them on top. So I've got the majority of this bed on the left, all dug out by hand, and a lot of the roots taken out. And we've also made a massive difference at the back here. We've cleared away a lot of the roots and the weeds, and we've got a massive pile of rubbish of trays, and we've also sorted out all my pots, trays, pots, and how's that? Got a cover on the door because that's keeping us warm, and we've actually cleared the table, and I put a nice chair, and I've been enjoying the chair, sat there looking up the Polytunnel. And we've cleared some of the big weeds out here. I just need to go through and take out all the roots. But how's that? Big change? That's massive to me. Just got to do this chair now and then we're done. So it's still raining, no sign of it stopping. So I'm going to get wet heading to the car. So thanks for watching. I'm really pleased how well it's done. And now I can get in here, come and do some work and go again. Cheers!